Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Just days after announcing their upcoming world tour titled On the Run 2, the musical couple Jay-Z and Beyonce were on the run right here in Jamaica. The Crazy in Love singer and her rapper husband took to the streets of Kingston on Tuesday to shoot scenes of what is rumored to be a music video. Their supporting crew remained tight-lipped about the couple's venture, and the presence of private security detail as well as local police made it very difficult for onlookers to venture into the direct vicinity of the shoot. Nevertheless, community members and photographers were able to capture photos and cell phone videos of the power couple being filmed from a distance as they rode on a motorcycle through the streets of Trenchtown. Jay-Z and Beyonce are rumored to have been on the island from Sunday. This week marks the second staging of the Jamaica Women in Theatre Festival, which was conceived in an effort to celebrate local women's stellar contributions to the art form. This year's festival features a host of activities, including artistic showcases, panel discussions, and tributes to the selected female honorees. The theatre festival, backed by the Minister of Culture and Entertainment, started at the Edna Manley School on March 19 with stagings of some popular productions like Right Girl, Wrong Address and Your View Awards winner Was Sweet Nanny Good. On Tuesday, the Writers' Showcase featured works from Delia Harris, Andrea Wright, Nicole Williams, and newcomer Maya Wilkinson. The Jamaica Women in Theatre Festival will continue on March 25 with a number of meaningful panel discussions at the Jamper Training Room with a special focus on the art of script writing.
And it really came about through a number of discussions with other women who are not only in theatre but those who want to be a part of it. And there are a lot of questions about, if I'm a writer, how do I get the work produced? If I'm a producer, what do I have to do? And I felt it was a great opportunity to network women who are already in the system and to celebrate the work of those who are already working. So this year, we're happy we're having the second stage. We started on Monday with a wonderful showcase of women who are actors, and on Thursday we're recognizing our three honorees, Pat Compa, Lois Kelly Miller, and Sister in Theatre Collective. And then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday we go into our panel discussions. This year we're focusing on script writing, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. But we're going to be bringing in people from the University of the West Indies, Velma Pollard, Paula Beale, a number of people coming in to talk about making the script work. It's free. So if you are a thespian or you want to be a thespian, you dream about being one, come out to the festival.
The Directors' Showcase on Wednesday and a tribute session set for this evening for honorees Patricia Compa, Loy Kelly Miller, and the Sister in Theatre Collective. Reggae singer and songwriter Amoy has been nominated for Canada's Juno Music Award for Reggae Recording Artist of the Year. The nomination was garnered for her latest album titled The Light. The Light features collaborations with top Jamaican reggae talent including Sly and Dunbar, Lenky Marsden, as well as acclaimed songwriter Mikey Bennett and producer Donovan Germain of Penthouse Records. The Juno Awards is an annual event which honors Canadian music achievements. This year's staging is set for March 24 and 25 and will be hosted in Vancouver. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.